In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coins from Binance exchange to MetaMask in very simple step. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the very less fee. We will do live transfer from Binance application to MetaMask. So let's come on the application without wasting any time. So I have opened Binance application on my cell phone and I will transfer some USDT from my Binance account to MetaMask application. So to transfer USDT from Binance, come on the wallet and here you have to click on the withdraw. Click on withdraw. Select the coin which you want to transfer from here. I want to transfer USDT, so you can set USDT. Alright, so here you can see I have $10 in my USDT. Click on USDT. So after clicking here, you will see multiple options. Send via crypto network, send via email, phone, ID. So if you are transferring from Binance to Binance, then you have to select send via email, phone, and ID, which is free and easy and instant. But if you want to transfer from one exchange to another exchange or exchange to wallet, then you have to select send via crypto network. So we are transferring from Binance to MetaMask wallet, so we will click send via crypto network. So here you have to add the address and also you have to select the network. So if we come on the network, so here you can see these multiple networks, TRC20, BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and along with you can see the fee and minimum withdrawal. For the TRC20, the fee is $1 and minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. And arrival time is 2 minutes. Similarly, for the BNB Smart Chain, you can see the fee is 0.22 and minimal withdrawal is 0.29. So it is very reliable. So I will use BNB Smart Chain. Click on BNB Smart Chain. Now here we will need USDT BEP20 network address, which we will get from the MetaMask wallet. Come on the MetaMask wallet. So here you can see I have opened MetaMask wallet on my cell phone. We have created MetaMask wallet in our previous video where we have learned step by step that how we can create MetaMask wallet on our cell phone. You can find the link in the description that how you can create MetaMask wallet in very easy steps. After opening MetaMask wallet, here you have to click on the import tokens. We are already in the BNB Smart Chain. Here you can see if you are seeing Ethereum main network, then you have to change the network into the BNB Smart Chain. Click on this. If you come on the add network, here you will find BNB Smart Chain. I have already imported. You will find here if you have not imported yet. So I will select BNB Smart Chain. You can set whatever network in which you have coins. After this, here we will need USDT BEP20 network address to receive USDT. Click on import token, search USDT. Alright. So we have to transfer USDT Tether. Click on this, scroll down, import. So here you can see Tether USDT added in our MetaMask wallet. You can also see the logo of BNB Smart Chain in the Tether. Click on this. So on the top you can see USDT BNB Smart Chain. You must verify the network before sending the USDT. Now here we will need receiving address. Click on receive. Copy this address. Now we have to paste this address on the Binance application. Come on the Binance application, paste this address. Now here you can see you can transfer minimum 0.29 USDT. I will transfer 5 USDT from here and here we have to pay 0.22 USDT network fee and receiving amount is 4.78 USDT. Click on withdraw. Alright, so this is confirm order that how much amount you will receive. The network is BNB Smart Chain. Withdrawal amount is 5 USDT. Network fee is 0.22 and wallet is spot wallet. So after verifying all the details, click on the confirm, security verification. Alright. So here you can see it says withdrawal processing. It will take couple of minutes to complete your transactions to transfer USDT from Binance application to MetaMask. If you come on the view history, and here you can see it is processing. So currently it is processing. Till you can subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Now it says transaction has been completed. Now let's come on the MetaMask wallet and let's confirm our transaction. Come on the MetaMask. So here you can see we have received 4.78 USDT in our MetaMask wallet. Here you can see Tether USDT, open this and we have 4.78 USDT. So in couple of minutes we have successfully transferred some USDT from Binance application to MetaMask. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer in very simple steps. If you still face any problem, watch this video once again. You will understand all these steps. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.